You're in a car and it takes a sharp left turn. You feel a powerful push to the right against the door. Everyone calls this centrifugal force, but here's a secret from physics. It doesn't exist. It's an illusion. That feeling isn't a push outwards, it's your own inertia. Your body wants to keep moving in a straight line, as Newton's first law dictates. The car, however, is turning. The door is actually pushing inward on you, forcing you into the curve. What you feel is your body resisting that change in direction. This inward acting force has a name, centripetal force. It literally means center-seeking. It's not a new type of force, but rather a job description filled by familiar ones. For your car, it's the friction between the tires and the road. For a satellite orbiting Earth, it's gravity. For a ball you swing on a string, it's tension. This leads to a beautiful paradox. An object in a perfect circle, like that satellite, can have a constant speed. Its speedometer never changes, yet it is constantly accelerating. Why? Because its direction is constantly changing. And any change in velocity, whether in speed or direction, is acceleration. This center-seeking acceleration is what keeps the object turning. The amount of force needed depends critically on speed and the turn's radius. If you double a satellite's speed, it needs 4 times the gravitational pull to stay in the same orbit. And if that centripetal force suddenly vanishes, if the string breaks or the gravity disappears, the object doesn't fly outwards. It shoots off in a straight line, a perfect tangent to the circle it just left. That's inertia, finally having its way. It's the delicate balance that governs every curve in the universe.